Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google account on your Windows PC. So for the first step you want to do is simply click on the current profile icon. Then from here, you want to click on Add. Then you want to go back, then select Add so that you can add a new account to Google. Then from here, you want to select Sign In. Then click on Create Account. So then you want to choose whether it's for personal use, for your child, or for work or my business. So for this video, I'll be selecting for my personal use. Then you want to enter in the first name, which is the handle name that you'll be using for your Google account. So it can be any name that you want to use. Then once you've entered in the first name, you can also choose to enter in a last name, but bear in mind that this is optional. So once you've entered in your first name and maybe your last name, you want to click on Next. Then from here, you want to enter in the basic information such as your date of birth and gender. So enter in your basic information. Then you want to select your gender and click on Next. From here, you want to choose your Gmail address. So you can choose any of the addresses that you're given, or you can choose to create your own Gmail address with, again, the first and last name. Then once you've selected your option, you want to click on Next, and then you want to create a password. So you want to enter in your password. So once you've entered and confirmed, you want to click on Next, and then ensure that both passwords are matching. And then when you're done, click on Next. And then you can choose to get a verification code sent to your phone number. So you'll have to confirm that you're not a robot. So enter in your phone number. It will automatically detect your region. So just type in your phone number and then click on Next. And then wait for the 6-digit code to be sent to you via text message. Then once you've entered in the code, click on Next. And then you can choose to add a recovery email address. So this is where Google will contact you if there's unusual activity in your account or you get locked out. So you can choose to enter in an email address, or you can just choose to skip it. So from here, you'll be given your account info. So this is my current email, and this is my current recovery mobile number. Then you want to click on Next to finish setting up the account. So from here, you'll need to agree to privacy and terms. So read through all of this information, and if you're happy with what you're reading, click on I agree. Then from here, you'll be given small customizations that you can apply to your account right now, or you can choose to do this later. So once you've done that, you'll be prompted to customize Chrome to your liking. Then from here, you can now have your brand new, newly created account. So now you have access to Gmail with that same Google account. So when you click on Gmail, it will take you to Gmail. And then you can also choose to just click on your profile icon, and then you can select Manage your Google account to customize your account settings. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.